Why do trees bend in the wind? Imagine you're a tree. When the wind blows, you sway and bend. This helps you stay strong and not break. Trees have a secret. They grow stronger roots when they bend. It's like when you fall and get back up, you become tougher. Now imagine if trees could dance. They sway to the music, growing stronger with each move. So next time you see a tree dancing in the wind, remember it's getting stronger, just like you when you learn from mistakes. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.